Hey folks, Mike Gray here. I hope everybody had a great 4th of July, great following weekend. It's crazy hot, but we are in July and it is summer here in Houston. So just a couple more months-ish and we should be back in a little bit cooler weather. Lately I've had a lot of people ask about what they should do to add value to the home and what projects that they can do that'll make financial sense. So I want to talk a little bit about what you're going to get or what you can do that'll give you your best returns and about some things that could give you your worst returns. The first thing I'd like to address though is about updates. Are you going to make these updates because you want to live in the property, or are you making them strictly because you're looking for a return on investment because you're going to sell the property and you want to add value and you want to get that money back? So when I talk to people about adding value or increasing the value of the homes and they want to turn around and sell it and get that money back, I want to give them only things that they're going to be able to capitalize on and get that money back. And the reality is there's not a lot of projects that you can do where you're going to get 100% of that money that's invested back to you. So here are 3 things that you can do that's going to give you your highest percentage of return, and they're also going to help you sell faster. Number one rated by Remodel website is a garage door replacement. That's going to get you a 98% return. And if you think about it, the garage door is really the face of your house. A lot of people see that, good or bad, and if it's negative, it's going to have a negative perception. Second, and kind of related to that, is replacement of a door. An entry door is going to get you 92% return. Just think when people come to see your home, they're standing there, they're looking around, and they're noticing that door, and that's going to set the perception when they walk in. Deck additions get you an 83% return. So if you're thinking about adding a deck, there's value in that, but you want to be smart doing it. Now on the negative side, if you look at a patio, adding a patio, we're talking like blowing out a patio, it's similar to a pool, you're only getting about 43% return on that. So if you're looking at doing that to invest and get the money back, probably not going to happen. A huge add-on or master add-on is only going to get you back around 50%. So if you're doing that for an investment perspective, then not going to happen. Another one is kitchen. When we think about kitchens, right? Kitchens and bathrooms are going to sell your house. A major kitchen remodel will get you considerably less than a minor kitchen remodel. So if you have a minor kitchen remodel, you're looking at about 81% of that return coming back to you. A major kitchen remodel, on average, you're only looking at a return a little over 50 to 55%. So keep in mind that when you're doing these things, you want to check ahead of time because there's always a uniqueness to the house, right? So this is just an average across the board. So if you're thinking about doing something, and again, you're looking for a return, then go ahead and dig a little deeper and see how it's going to affect your home. Now keep in mind, when you do remodel, this is if you're planning on living or investing, the more specific you do it to your taste, the smaller that funnel is going to be for the buyer pool, right? You want it nice, but you want it open to a bigger group of buyers. So I hope you have a great week. If you have any questions about things that you may want to do, things that you can do to your house, maybe get a little bit better return, or if you're thinking about redoing it altogether and want to talk through that process, I'm happy to answer any questions. I hope you have a great week. We'll talk to you in a couple weeks. Be back with a market update, and have a good day.